If your Yahoo Mail toolbar has disappeared in Firefox, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to bring it back, refresh the browser properly, and clear the right cache and cookie settings if the problem still happens. This is a quick fix that can help when the menu bar, navigation toolbar, or even parts of Yahoo Mail seem to vanish or stop displaying correctly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, if your Firefox browser toolbar or menu is missing, press the Alt key on your keyboard. This temporarily reveals the menu bar in the Firefox so you can access the browser options. Once the menu appears, go to View, then choose Toolbars. From there, look for Menu Bar or Navigation Toolbar and click the one you want to restore. If that doesn't bring everything back, you can also try right-clicking the top tab area in Firefox. Then choose Customize Toolbar. On that screen, select Restore to Default. This can reset the browser interface and bring back missing toolbar elements that may have been accidentally removed. Now, if Yahoo Mail still isn't displaying correctly, the next step is to force a refresh of the browser page. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. This tells Firefox to reload the page without relying on stored temporary data, which can fix display issues caused by a broken or outdated page cache. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut may differ slightly, but the goal is the same. Force the browser to reload the page completely. If that still doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to do is clear the cache and remove cookies. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Recent History menu right away. In the time range dropdown, choose Everything, so Firefox clears all stored data related to the issue. Then check Cache and also check Cookies and Site data. Make sure you leave the other boxes unchecked if you want to keep your browsing data intact. After that, click Clear to remove the selected data. Once that is done, close and reopen Firefox, then go back to Yahoo Mail and check whether the toolbar has returned. In many cases, these steps will solve the issue because the problem is usually caused by a browser interface setting, a bad page reload, or corrupted SRID data. If the toolbar is still missing, try signing out of Yahoo Mail and signing back in, or test the site in a private window to see whether an extension is interfering. But for most users, restoring the Firefox toolbar, forcing a hard refresh, and clearing cache and cookies will fix the problem. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.